Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel with a new video understanding the world of man-made fibers. In this video, we explore the fascinating world of synthetic fibers with some examples. Let's know. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers produced from chemical substances rather than natural materials. Let us know how they are made. The process needs raw materials and the process begins with petrochemicals, which are derived from petroleum, coal, or natural gas. The raw materials are subjected to a chemical process called polymerization. In this process, the small molecules are chemically bonded to form long chains called polymers. As for example, nylon is made from polyamide. Polyester is made from ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Let us know some examples of synthetic fibers. First one is nylon. Let's know about its properties. It has high tensile strength, making it durable and resistant to wear and tear. Elasticity in nature. It has good stretch and recovery properties, which allows it to maintain its shape and return to its original form after stretching. It is highly resistant to abrasion, which helps it endure rough uses and friction. Light in weight, so it is suitable for a variety of applications where weight is a concern. Nylon absorbs moisture but dries quickly. Easy to dye, so can see in different colors and patterns. Let's know some objects made from it. Rope, safety lanyard, conveyor belt, tennis string, brush, comb, and some fasteners too. Next one is polyester. Let's have what are the properties of polyesters. It is highly durable and resistant to wear and tear. It is wrinkle resistant. It repels water to some degree, which makes it dry quickly. Polyester is heat sensitive. It cannot withstand high temperature. It is lightweight material. Let's know what are the objects made from this polyester. Sportswear, plastic bottles and food containers, ropes and safety belts, conveyor belts, many backpacks, suitcase, seat belt and seat covers. Do you know what material is used to make umbrella? Let's know. Umbrellas are typically made from materials like polyester and nylon. Because these fabrics are water resistant, they are durable in nature and light in weight. Next one is acrylic. Let's know how acrylic is different from these two. Acrylic is highly transparent. It is light in weight. It is highly durable, 10 times stronger than glass. Weather resistance, it means it is not affected on exposure to UV light and harsh environment condition. It is scratch resistance. Even scratches can be polished out. It is flexible, not hard as glass. Let's know what can be made from this acrylic. This is alternative to glass and used in windows, partitions and display cases. Due to its strength and transparency, it is used to make aquarium. Acrylic is used to make modern furnitures such as chairs, tables, shelves, and many more like this. It is used in chandeliers, lamp. Eyeglass lenses can be made from acrylic. Let's know the next one, rayon, and its properties. It is soft and comfortable to skin. It is breathable in nature. Rayon is highly absorbent. It is biodegradable in nature and eco-friendly fiber. It can be easily dyed in a wide range of colors due to its absorbent nature. Rayon is prone to wrinkle and requires ironing. It is weak when wet, so it should be handled carefully during washing. Let's know what can be made from this rayon. Clothing like dresses, shirts, trousers, etc. can be made from rayon. Bedsheet, pillowcase, curtains can be made. It is used as a lining materials in jackets, coat and bags. It is used to make wipes. It is also used to make bandages, gauze and surgical dressing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you find it informative and subscribe to our channel for more such upcoming videos. You can follow in Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.